Hi guys, so today we're going to look at how to install VirtualBox on your Windows 10 computer. VirtualBox is an application used for running virtual machines on your Windows machine. So if you wanted to install another operating system that was in a controlled environment and not running on your entire machine. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the VirtualBox website. So if we just Google VirtualBox, then click on the link for VirtualBox. Next we're going to go to Downloads. Once we're in Downloads, we can then select we are a Windows host. Now the application will begin to download. I'm not going to go through with the download as I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to cancel that. Okay. Alright, so now that we've got our VirtualBox application downloaded, we can then open it up. We're just going to go through the steps. So next, it's asking to install on your root level. Next, what options do we want here? To create a start menu entry, yes. Create a shortcut on the desktop, no. Create a shortcut in the quick launch bar, no. And register file associations. Please leave this on, as this may cause problems if you don't use it. Okay. So I'm going to talk about the network interfaces, which can be configured later. Okay. Then we're going to click install. It's going to begin to install. Now Windows will come up with an account control access window, and what we're going to do is we're going to click yes. It's going to begin to install. Alright, so I'm going to ask if it can install a USB driver that will work from VirtualBox to your USB on your machine. We're going to click install. Alright, and now it's finished. Now by default, start Oracle VMware VirtualBox after the installation. So once we click finish, it should open. Alright, and there you have it, your VirtualBox. And don't forget to comment and subscribe and like. Thanks.